Billionaires gang, how you guys doing? It's your boy Spice. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the strategy that I used to pass my Forex fund challenge in just 2 days. Not only that, guys, this strategy has really helped me a lot, and I use this strategy on my day-to-day trade. If this sounds interesting to you and you want to know the strategy you can use to pass all other prop firms, you can definitely keep on watching. You don't need an expensive course to actually know how to trade the Forex market. A lot of traders will come to YouTube to, show how this strategy works and how this works and how that works. But what they would never give you is the confirmation to whatever strategy that they are showing you guys. I just want to give you guys this strategy, and I hope this helps someone somewhere. Let me take you to my chart so I can explain this strategy to you. So guys, the instrument you need is you will need 2 moving averages. One will be 50 and the other will be 8. Okay, so you can just go to this place, indicator, then you can just write moving average. Okay, yeah, this one, you just click on it and it will appear here. You click on it again, it will appear here again, making 2, right? Then you come to this place, you click on settings, you move this word to 50. Okay, the 50 and the color for the 50 will be red or any beer color you use. Okay, and you come to this one, you go to the input, the length, you put it at 8, then go to style and put this one to the bow color, maybe blue. I use blue and red. Okay, the time frame we are going to be using on this strategy is going to be 15 minutes. And what are the rules on this strategy? You have to make sure you trade this strategy 10 minutes after sessions open. If you're trading New York session, you're going to be trading the strategy 10 minutes after New York opens. If you're trading London session, you're going to start looking for entries 10 minutes after London session opens. Okay guys, you can use GJ, it just depends on the session you want to trade. Okay, but majorly I only trade London and New York session. Okay, so what you have to make sure that the trade is 1 to 3, minimum 1 to 3, risking 1% to get 3%. If you're in profit for 2%, you have to make sure you move your stop loss from that 2%. You have to move it to break even. Okay, so if the price is coming down back, then you break even, and if the price doesn't go, definitely the price will eat your take profit. So now let's backtest this so I can show you how this really works. This strategy works beautifully, guys. Let's click on replay. We're just going to be doing this one for a week, and you can go and backtest this on your own and see the beauty of the strategy. The African time, New York session opens by 1 o'clock, that is 1 p.m. Okay, so what you want to do is this. Let's backtest for a full week, then you can check every other pair. So it works the same way. You can go and backtest this and see for yourself, but I'm just, because of this video, I don't want it to be too long, so I'm just going to be doing this for a week and see if we are profitable at the end of the week. So African time, this is 1:10. okay, the market opens 1:10. The market open 1, then we'll take it 10 minutes after the market opens. So what you want to do now is let's play this to see. We are waiting for crossover of the day, so you have to make sure you have that. Okay, so at this point we can see price make an attempt to cross, but it didn't cross, just pull to the downside. We're waiting, don't do anything, you have to wait for that cross. You wait for the cross, you wait for the cross. Okay, finally we had a cross. Okay guys, finally we had a cross at this point. So what do we want to do now? We want to wait for price to push back in between the 2 moving averages and push out very fast. Let's say 2 candle inside and one candle out, or one candle inside, the second candle out. So that's what we want to look for. If the candle is more than two, then definitely we are changing our bias at that point. So what are we waiting for? We are waiting for price to close back, to push back in and push out. So price kept going up. Now, okay, what can you see now? We had a pushing inside and a push out. So we're going to be taking this trade now. And like I told you guys, always 1 to 3 risk to reward. Okay, so our stop loss can be 7 pip stop loss, 7 pip, and we're going to target 1 to 3. Okay, 1 to 3. So 7 pip stop loss, 1 to 3. So we just play that. What do you see, guys? Take profit, eat. Another thing you can do is this: make sure that once you have a winner for that day, don't open another trade again. Don't look for another cross. And if you have a loser on the same pair for that day, don't open another trade again. Just take it as a loss day. Okay, you can go to other pair to look for another entry. Once you make an attempt and it failed, you can leave it and go to another pair to look for another entry. You can as well add many pairs to this. Okay, so but just make sure when you want to trade them, you trade them in session. Okay, you trade them in session. So now we had one. So I'm just going to be bringing out my calculator just to show. So now we are risking just 1% per trade. So now we had 3. Okay, so let's continue. Like that. Okay, so we play. Boom, what do you see? We take profit. Take profit just like that, guys. 1 to 3 risks to reward. Going back to our calculator, what do we have? Plus 3. So account on Tuesday, because we started on Monday, account on Tuesday, we're already up 6%. Without using all other pairs, just USD card, we're already up 6%. So what do we want to do at this point? You can see when price started moving down at this point, we did not chase it. We're just patient until, you know, when we had a push out here. At this point, we take our trade, and as you can see, I don't even check what price action or break and retest or anything. I don't check anything what any price is talking about. I just take the strategy. Okay, trust me, guys, this strategy works over time. Stick my crossover yet. What's the time? Okay, so at this point we are not looking for entry anymore, because in 2 hours time market is going to be closing. So what do? We wait for the other day. Finally, we had a crossover at this point. So what are we waiting for? We're waiting for price to push back in and sharply push out. Okay, we need a price to sharply. What do you see, guys? We lost this trade. So guys, at the end of the week we were able to be up 8%. 8 guys, we're able to be up 8% of the account. We lost this one. We didn't have any entry at this point, and of course we won this and we won the first two. So if you're taking my forex fund challenge with only just one pair, if you're concentrating on just one pair, you'd have been up 8%. You'd have passed this challenge in just 1 week, guys. Trading just one pair, you'd have passed the challenge in just 1 week. And as well, you can test this one. Of course, if you test this one, definitely guys, you're going to be up more than 8%. So you guys can see this strategy is very, very profitable. You don't need to spend tons of money looking for courses or looking for mentors. You can just follow this simple strategy that I just showing you right now. If you follow this simple strategy, you will see that your trading game will change drastically, guys. And this content I'm giving you for free, so you can just do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and like this video to help the YouTube algorithm. And as well, go join my Telegram channel so we can discuss. You can ask me questions about this strategy. I'm willing to answer any question you have. Thank you for watching this video, guys. I'm really grateful. See you on my next video. Bye.